We are all being told the same thing after 50. Eat more protein, cut back on those carbs, build more muscle, get more sleep, take care of your bones, manage all that stress. And somehow we're supposed to figure out how to do all of that when menopause has completely changed the rules on us. Hi, I'm Tina, and that's what this channel is really all about, figuring out what really works for women like us in real life. I'm over 50, in menopause, I strength train, and I work a full-time job. I also happen to have reactive hypoglycemia, so a low-carb diet isn't an option for me. That's actually how I manage my blood sugar. So every Thursday, I share a new low-carb, high-protein recipe designed around the way that I actually eat. It could be an easy meal prep item, it could be a low-carb comfort food, or it might just be figuring out how to remake something that I love in a way that works for me now. But food isn't the only thing that I've been figuring out because menopause just changed so much for me. My weight, my energy, my sleep, my brain, the way that I train, and the way that I recover. So once a month, we're gonna go beyond the kitchen, and I'm gonna share with you what has worked for me, what hasn't worked, and what I'm learning along the way. We'll talk about supplements and sleep, strength training, and the apps and devices that I have found that make life during menopause just a little bit easier. I'll also show you how I've adapted my workouts as a woman over 50 with arthritis, because I am certainly not interested in sitting on the sidelines just because my joints have other plans. I am not a doctor, a dietitian, nor am I a fitness coach. I am just a woman in menopause who got tired of being told what I should be doing without anybody telling me how I should be doing this in real life. So I'm testing it, I'm cooking it, I'm tracking it, and I'm trying it all on myself. And when I find something that works, I'm gonna share. Whether it's a recipe that makes eating high protein, low carb easier, or something that makes navigating menopause just a little bit better, that's what you're gonna find here. So if you're over 40 and you're trying to build muscle, manage your weight, eat better, sleep better, feel better, or just try to figure out what the heck your body wants from you now, you are in the right place. A new recipe every Thursday, a menopause health and wellness video once a month. If that sounds like the kind of channel for you, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.